Alright, so today we will be trying out a brand new AR that I just built for a friend of mine. So rest assured everything is all taken care of as far as the build goes. We have a Palmetto State lower. We also have just a basic buttstock. We have the Magpul grip, a little cheap fake hog on the top with a pair of iron sights, and a nice little Davidson Defense handguard. It's pretty naked as it is now, but we're going to take a few shots, see how it rolls. So, all right, test firing. All right, so we have a 1-round cycle. We have one in the chamber. We're going to try a nice little, we're going to try a 3-round burst. Here we go. When I say that, I mean a 3-round trigger pull. Not bad. Bolt locks to the rear. Everything's cycling. Hell yeah. Happy to say that this is a fully operational rifle, minus the dust cover, but happy to say we're definitely going to have some fun with this. Yee!
Nothing more to say, people. We're just going to rock and roll. This is called a mag dump. It's running pretty good.